Additive is the future. No waste time, no waste power, not use of big giant machine to remove 80% of material to reach the final shape. With additive technology, we can produce the part as close as possible to the final shape, and with our milling machine, finish it in a very short, reliable time with a huge process. Thanks to a joint venture with a company specialized in artificial intelligence called Aumenta, we developed a software that helps the machine to learn from test, to learn for print when they print the part, in order to day by day to improve the final quality of the part produced. We decided to move all the milling machine to Sinumerik One. It's natural that now we want the same power and functionality also on printing products. Moreover, Genesis line is not only a printing machine, but is available also in hybrid version, printing plus milling, and we want to use the easy way to program and customize the interface for printing and the top functionalities that we want on milling side, like digital twin and top speed.
We already tested the digital twin solution on 2 different projects, and we found a very good improvement in the development time and in the bug job. Also, the training was possible to do before without the physical Siemens hardware. That saved time. NX is a good application for 5-axis machining in additive manufacturing, and it's very flexible for our requirements. For example, monitoring the manufacturing process, the layer development, the extrusion time and the temperature control.
We are not only selling the machine, but we are also providing part and making tests for the final customer, also with some small batch production.
I'm using to operate a milling machine. Genesis is a double beam machine where it's possible to mill and print very easily with the Sinumerik One control. Thanks to the Sinumerik operator, the operation interface between milling and additive manufacturing is the same. This makes it easy for me to operate this machine as well.